Hello to everyone, welcome back on my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I want to show you something really special. So it's time to begin. Let's go. Today I want to show you my project that kept me busy for about 3 months. The Dragooms. They are my little dream come true. I wanted to make a collection of collectible dragons for years. For years, really for so much years. Obviously making resin so more accessible to everyone. All this was possible thanks to whom? Obviously thanks to you. You who believed in me, in my dreams, and in my campaign on Kickstarter. Thanks to your donation, I was able to create all of this. So thank you for believing a stranger like me. And please, always believe in everyone's dreams, because I'm not the only one with dreams in the world. We are so many creatives and artists, lucky and less fortunate. So really thank you with all my heart. Good, go on. How is a toy collection born? The process is really long, and between highs and lows, and a big estimate on how much money do you need for create everything, for buy all the materials. For the resin and the silicone rubber, I entrusted myself to the best, the Resin Pro brand. This is the pure mold and dries in 3 or 4 hours, depending on the outside temperature. Instead, for the resin, I entrusted in the eye white, always buy a Resin Pro. This is a fast resin. It dries in 20-30 minutes, and it allows you to have a perfect copy of what you have to reproduce with the mold. In this case, I've made 5 Dragooms. 5 colors, 5 Dragoons. I entrusted myself in the cosplay, the new flexible clay. It will arrive on Kickstarter the October 30th. And this is the first Dragooms I create with cosplay. And after this, there is the mold with pure mold, okay? And after, having poured by resin. So my dragon puppies were finally born. A little creepy, but also a little kawaii. They are suitable for an audience that loves creepy, but not so much. After the dragons come out of the molds, they should be sanded with a dedicated machine. This is the results after I put out of the molds the Dragooms, okay? The eye white, the resin. And it is one of the longest and most difficult process that I ever made in my life, because it takes very little to ruin them forever. In fact, I had to throw away 20 Dragooms with all my sorrow. After grinding, they should be treated with a primer. I used the black one from Citadel brand, okay? The primer is an adhesion agent for the colors. And after all the Dragooms have become like this, total black, they must be painted by hands, by hairbrush, and usually I use the Vallejo model color, this, if I paint with the hand, by hand, and for the airbrush, I use Vallejo Model Air. This is just for airbrush. I promise I will show you them to you one by one. And if you notice some defects, remember that every Dragooms, even if it's a copy, didn't come out perfect. I think my strength is in these imperfections, because they make even particular and unique my Dragooms. Each of them has some difference from the previous copy. The Dragooms are in resin, okay, so they are very cheap. Individually, they have a cost of $25. Just one, okay? Instead, the whole collection will cost $100, okay? In practice, if my math is good, you have 1 Dragooms for free. And one big news is the availability of naked and customizable Dragoon. Exact! There will be dragons available that you can paint at home with your favorite colors. I think this thing is beautiful, and I can't wait to see all of them on the social networks, where you obviously tag me, right? What? How do you say? Oh, do you want to see the Dragoons? Okay, but are you ready? Okay, come on, I love you. Ready, set, go! my god, I'm ashamed to die. I very much hope you enjoyed them. All these that I have in front of me and in front of you are already ready to go to all the customs they helped me in my Kickstarter campaign. All of them will be provided with an adoption certificate where you will have to add your signature. Each of them already have a name and a little story. I just have to tell you another just small thing. Thanks for being here with me today. And if you want to jump in my videos in my channel, subscribe to the channel and fill this video with a like and comments. Let the Dragooms be known in the whole world. Thank you so much. Take the kiss. Oh my gosh, I forgotten something really important. There is 2 of these Dragooms. I created them during this process with 2 different colors. One is Galaxy Dragooms and this is Fire Dragooms. There will be a little giveaway on my Instagram profile, Umartians channel, so you can try to win one of them. You want the Galaxy or the Fire? Follow the simple rules on the post after this video on my Instagram profile and you have a chance to win one of them. Thank you so much. Bye.